Hello and hope you're doing well. On this video we're gonna install the Grow touchless bath faucet with temperature control, and it says down here that it's easy to install, so let's see if it's that easy to install. I already unpackaged the faucet and we have all the parts here: the battery, the holder of the battery, and all the other parts. So let's install it. First, you have a couple of options. If you have 3 holes on your sink, what you can do is put this plastic first, then your chrome piece to cover the other 2 holes, and then the faucet. But in this case, since there's only 1 hole, we're just gonna put the faucet in the middle. So the first thing would be to grab this rubber piece and put it in here before you put it out there. So let's do that first. And this will create a seal there. On this side, what we're gonna do is put some silicone sealant on this side. We're gonna leave the rubber piece here, and then we're gonna put this through the hole, and underneath we're gonna put this rubber piece facing up like that, and then put the bolt on. We have to put these into place on each side. The next part is this one, and we need to take this apart, and then this is going to be here, leaving this rubber piece in place so we can create a seal here. And then on the bottom we're gonna put this rubber piece facing this way up here, and then this last piece that is gonna screw onto here, creating pressure on this rubber against both sides, creating a seal on the top and on the bottom so the water does not drip out. So on the bottom it looks this way. You have that rubber piece, then you tighten it with this side. So now we gotta put these into place up here. So I've done putting everything together, the water, the drain, and now I gotta put this final piece here. But since it's not aligned, what I did is made a small S so I could put this here. First, you have to put this piece, and then you got to put this ring facing down. So you can create a seal. And then on this side, put this down here with also a seal facing down. So it's going to be like this. The last piece usually is the very bottom, and that's what it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna screw this, and that part. Now that I put the battery holder up there, now we put the housing and the battery in its place. Make sure that the terminals are on this side, and then we can put this together and connect the wire in here as well and put it up there. And that's how it looks installed and put together. So now we can turn on the water. This last piece goes one way only. You have to make sure that the small arrow that you put here coincides with this point, so you can put it together and then twist until it clicks. You can change the temperature with this lever, warmer on the back, colder on this side, and you have the little arrows on the sides. So next time you turn on the water, you can select the temperature. You could also program the faucet, and you can see that in your instructions by putting your finger on your sensor. And that's it. That's all you need. All you have to do is put your hand in front of the faucet, turns on, you take it away, it turns off. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped you in any way. Thank you and enjoy.